There it is. Golly. Stay down there, buddy. Okay, El Cap. Let's see what you got to offer today. I'm going to try that point over there. I was there last week on the other side of that truck there. And no one's on the dock this week, but I caught one over there, so I'm going back. About 6:30, so I'll fish till 9. That's a little nicer fish. Nice fat one. Come here, you. Yeah. Well, a nice little fat fish. Probably a good pound and a half, that one is. About time, been out of here about an hour. Tail's a little bit beat up from probably fanning. There you go, thank you. There it is. Golly. Stay down there, buddy. That's a decent fish there, Larry. You want to stay on there. Man, you don't want to be caught. Okay. Number 2 for today. Wow. Oops. Yeah. That's a decent fish there. That'll never go 2 pounds easily. Nice. Well, beautiful color. Okay, go back out there.